iMapper is an affordable, fast, and precise 2D laser scanner designed for remodeling professionals who need 100% reliable measurements with a lightweight process. iMapper captures floor plans in minutes, helping you measure every space with confidence and save hours on site. Taking perfect sections, which you can use as the foundation for drawing detailed 3D models within plus or minus 8/100th inch accuracy. Set the iMapper on its tripod in the center of the room. Press one button, and it will scan the entire space with plus or minus 8/100th inch accuracy at a range of 100 feet in under 3 minutes. At the same time, the device captures 5 wide-angle reference photos to understand the space at 360 degrees. iMapper can take horizontal scans in just one tap, or by rotating it on its tripod, you can take vertical scans that allow you to measure ceiling heights, roof slopes, and stair angles. By combining them in your drawing software, you can create detailed 3D models. You can also control it via your phone from the iMapper Connect app. Use the built-in bubble level to ensure iMapper is level before measuring. And when any scan is done, it's uploaded straight to the cloud. No SD cards, no cables, no waiting. That means your files are instantly available to your team. Moreover, with a simple shareable link, anyone you choose can view the project wherever they are, so everyone on the project is in sync. Our algorithm automatically stitches the scans together for you, instantly generating an accurate 2D layout that is detailed enough to capture crooked angles and walls, door jambs, tile lines, window frames, and more. Every measurement point is linked to its original reference photo, so you'll always know exactly where it was taken. You can even use iMapper outdoors with a range of up to 80 feet. Measure room angles, distances between any points, wall thickness, and room area, so you can create quick estimates and share measurements instantly with your team. With the automatic floor plan feature, you can accurately see wall thickness and easily place windows, openings, and doors with a single click. Once your edits are complete, you can export them to your favorite drawing software. iMapper keeps your projects lightweight and cloud-based, eliminating the need for powerful computers and speeding up your workflow. iMapper works seamlessly with SketchUp, AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, Revit, and many other programs, with pinpoint accuracy you can count on for every single project. This level of precision not only saves hours in the field, it prevents costly mistakes. That's why iMapper often pays for itself in the first months. Every scan saves you time, saves you money, and delivers results your clients can trust. Our users told us they can finally talk to customers stress-free while iMapper is taking measurements. It's so easy to use that you can confidently send junior staff or interns on site knowing the data will always be exhaustive, accurate, and reliable. Additionally, with iMapper Studio, our back-end drafting service, you can get professionally ready plans for a fraction of the usual cost, eliminating hours of tedious manual drawing work. Book a demo with an iMapper expert to see Racer 3 in action and start saving days on your projects.